Hey guys, Jeff with Shock Surplus here. Spring is here, and while most people are doing their spring cleaning, I'm here doing my spring maintenance on the truck. As you can see here, I got the truck on jack stands, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my coilovers off, and I'm going to send them off to get it rebuilt. And oftentimes, when customers give us a call and they're getting their suspension refreshed and they're getting their new struts and shocks, they ask, what do I need to do to get the truck dialed in and get everything refreshed? What other things should I look at? So I'm going to walk you through on things to look for while you're getting your new struts and shocks installed. Alright, so now that you got your coilovers, your struts out, you have all this space to work with. What I like to do is I'll check the bushings, both the bushings on the upper control arms and the lower control arms, as well as the ball joints. What I like to do is I'll take a pry bar, a long pry bar like this, get you a little bit of extra leverage, and just kind of put it on the bushings, kind of give it a tug. Make sure there's no excessive play in the bushings. And then same thing for the lowers. You wanna make sure you get somewhere where you can put some good leverage on it. Make sure there's not a lot of play. And then next thing you want to check out is your ball joints. Check to make sure that your ball joint boots aren't leaking. There's no cracks or anything, no excessive play. So you want to just kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle, and then you want to check your lower ball joints as well. Down here, just give it a small visual check. Make sure that there's no leaks or cracks in the ball joint boot. Kind of move stuff around. Make sure nothing is feeling extra loose. That's pretty much it for the suspension. Since you're down here, you want to check boots, check your tie rods. Just make sure that nothing is too loose. I like to say get a hand on everything. That way you can just be as thorough as possible. You're getting new struts put in. You want to make sure that you don't have to go back in and go through this maintenance stuff again 5,000, 10,000 miles down the road. Alright guys, that about wraps up this quick maintenance video. I'm about to finish greasing up these bushings, and I'm going to send these coilovers out to get rebuilt. You want to remember, these trucks, they take a lot of abuse when you're out on the trails and getting your adventure on. So a little bit of maintenance here, just double checking everything, making sure everything is good here will take you a long way when you're out in the remote areas and help prevent any breakdowns that might happen. You don't want that happening when you're in a remote area. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you with those.